topic is The Last Bargain, Class 8th. It is a beautiful poem which is composed by our great author, great English author, the Rabindranath Tagore. All you are familiar with his name, I hope. He is the one and only who wrote our national anthem, and he is the one and only Indian English author Indian author who got the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913, and he got it for his famous book Gitanjali. And The Last Bargain is an extract which is taken from his famous book the Gitanjali. The main character of the poem is a laborer who wishes to be hired. There is a boy, a laborer, who want to be hired. And in the first stanza, the boy who is in search of a job, just move on the stony path and crying, "Oh, came and anyone please hire me." I cried while in the morning, and he was crying at the time of the morning, and when he was cried for the job, at the same time he was walking at a stony path मतलब पथरीला रास्ता. And at the same time he saw that there was a king came towards him, and the king was on his chariot along with a sword in his hand, and he offered him a job, and he offered his power in place of his work and services. And the boy, the laborer, denied to be hired with the king in place of his power, because he knows that one day the power will be ended. And as the time of morning went, and then it was the time of the afternoon came, and in the afternoon in the heat of the midday, the houses with shut doors, and he was moving everywhere, here and there, and all the doors are closed, and I wandered along the cracked alone. और मैं इस टाइम जो बेकार सा नॉट स्ट्रेट रास्ता है, वो लेबर वहाँ पर घूम रहा है. डे टाइम में सारे डोर क्लोज हैं. एंड एट द सेम टाइम ही सॉ दैट अ ओल्ड मैन वॉज कमिंग टूवर्ड्स हिम अलॉन्ग विद अ बिग बैग ऑफ गोल्ड. And he pondered. He already knew my thought that I am searching for the job. That's why the old man said, I will hire you with my money. He offered him job and offered his money in place of his work and services. But the boy, the laborer, denied the offer of the old man. He denied the offer of the job in replacement of the money, because he know that one day the amount would be ended. That's why he refused the offer of the old man also. And as in that way the midday was passed, and it was the time of evening which was approaching. And in the time of the evening, the writer went near the garden, where which is very beautiful, which is covered with the flowers and the beautiful leaves and trees, and all over the flowers over the fence wall pe. It was very wonderful. Here he went in the evening, and he sat down on a bench and asking for the job. At the same time a fairy came towards him, because the fairy already know the man was in search of a job. That's why fairy offered him job, and fairy said, I would give you the smile for each and every your work and service. But the man refused the offer of the fairy to be hired in replacement of her smile, because he knows that one day because he knew that one day the smile of the fairy would be pale, and one day her ears would टर्न इनटू टीयर्स. कभी ना कभी उसकी स्माइल पेल हो जाएगी, फीकी पड़ जाएगी, और उसकी आंखों में आंसू आ जाएंगे. दैट्स वाई he refused the offer of the fairy also. And in this way the evening time was passed, and it was the time of the night, and it was the time when the sun was setting down, and the sea waves are moving ahead a lot just because of the gravitational attraction of the moon, and they are approaching towards the seashore. And after reaching the seashore, he saw that there was a child who was playing innocently, who can't have any fear of anything. And he saw him as he already knew him. He said, he looked towards him as he already knew him. As he already knew him. And the boy also knows that the man is in search of the work. That's why the child offered him the job. And that time, and the child said, I will hire you with nothing. You can come and play with me. That was your job, and I can't pay anything to you. And that time the man accepted the offer of the child. He can't stop him to play with the child, because he knows that it was a real satisfaction to spend time with the our own self, like a child. And that's why he accept the offer. In this way we already know कि पावर एक ना एक दिन ख़त्म हो जाएगी, पैसा एक ना एक दिन ख़त्म हो जाएगा, ब्यूटी एक ना एक दिन ख़त्म हो जाएगी, लेकिन हमारा अंदर का जो इनर चाइल्ड है, हमारे अंदर की जो ब्यूटी है, हमारे अंदर की जो ऑनेस्टी है, हमारा जो खुद के जो चाइल्ड लाइक गुड क्वालिटीज़ हैं, वो कभी ख़त्म नहीं होते और हमको उनको कभी ख़त्म भी नहीं करना चाहिए। उनको अपनी लाइफ का एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट बनाना चाहिए और उनके साथ ही हमें आगे बढ़ते जाना चाहिए। चाहे हम कितने भी आगे बढ़ जाएं, हमको अपने बेसिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स को कभी कमज़ोर पड़ने नहीं देना चाहिए। द पोएट वांट टू एक्सप्रेस द, और जो रियल सेटिस्फेक्शन हमको मिलता है वो अपने खुद के जैसे हम हैं वैसे होने में मिलता है, ना कि पावर के आने से बदलने में, पैसे के आने के बदलने में या ब्यूटी के प्राउड में। लेकिन जो एग्जैक्टली हम हैं उसको वैसे एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं और उसके साथ अपनी लाइफ को कंटिन्यू करते हैं, तो उस सिचुएशन में हम बहुत सेटिस्फाइड और बहुत हैप्पी फील करते हैं। आई होप सबको पोएम बहुत अच्छे से समझ आ गई होगी, और पोएम अगर कन्फ्यूज़न है किसी को तो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं। इट्स क्वाइट क्लियर टू एवरीवन।